Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to another video on our channel $1 Billion iTech, the place where future tech lovers come to get inspired. In today's video, we will discuss what is 5G and what will it mean for you. Super fast 5th generation or 5G mobile internet services are already on offer. You can't get it anywhere yet and handset choices remain limited. But that will change in the coming month. So what difference will 5G make to our lives? Whatever we do now with our smartphones, we will be able to do faster and better. Imagine swarms of drones cooperating to carry out search and rescue missions, fire assessments and traffic monitoring, all communicating wirelessly with each other and ground-based stations over 5G networks. Similarly, many think 5G will be crucial for autonomous vehicles to communicate with each other and read live map and traffic data. Mobile gamers should notice less delay or latency when pressing a button on a controller and seeing the effect on screen. Mobile videos should be near instantaneous and glitch-free. Video calls should become clearer and less jerky. Wearable fitness devices could monitor your health in real time, alerting doctors as any emergency arises. How does 5G work? It's a new radio technology, but you might not notice vastly higher speeds at first because 5G is likely to be used by network operators initially as a way to boost capacity of existing 4G core networks to ensure a more consistent service for all customers. The speed you get will depend on which spectrum band the operator runs the 5G technology on and how much your carrier has invested in new transmitters. So we may see clusters of smaller phone masts closer to the ground transmitting so-called millimeter waves between much higher numbers of transmitters and receivers. This will enable higher density of usage, but it's expensive and companies could face challenges deploying lots of new masts. So the question is, how fast could it be? The fastest current 4G mobile networks offer about 45 Mbps on average, although the industry is still hopeful of achieving 1 gigabit per second. The biggest improvement in speed and latency will come when service providers roll out standalone 5G networks, where both the core and radio networks use 5G tech. They could easily achieve gigabit plus browsing speed as standard, but these aren't likely to come until next year in the UK. So why do we need it? The world is going mobile and we're consuming more data every year, particularly as the popularity of video and music streaming increasing. Existing spectrum bands are becoming congested, leading to breakdowns in service, particularly when lots of people in the same area are trying to access online mobile services at the same time. 5G is much better at handling thousands of devices simultaneously, from mobiles to equipment sensors, video cameras to smartphone streetlights. That arises a question, will I need a new phone? And the answer to it, yes. But when 4G was introduced in 2009 and 10, compatible smartphones came into the market before the infrastructure had been rolled out fully, leading to some frustration amongst consumers who felt they were paying more in subscription for patchy service. Will it work in rural areas? Lack of signal and low data speeds in rural areas is a common complaint in the UK and many other countries. But 5G won't necessarily address this issue, as it will operate on high frequency bands to start with, at least that have a lot of capacity but cover shorter distances. 5G will be an urban service for densely populated areas. Lower frequency bands, 600 to 800 MHz, typically are better over longer distances. So network operators will concentrate on improving their 4G LTE coverage in parallel with 5G rollout. But commercial reality means that for some people in very remote areas, connectivity will still be patchy, at best without government subsidy, making it worthwhile for network operators to go to these areas. I hope you guys find this video informative. If so, give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Talk to you next one.